The plastic portion of my key fob, where my key ring goes into, got brittle and broke, and I was about to buy a new shell when I realized there's a cheaper and easier solution. Just remove the rest of the remaining plastic. Get a metal object that you can push the rest of the plastic through, like a pen or a key ring. Remove the key from the key fob, and once you push the rest of the plastic through, you can remove it with a plier. That leaves you with a small hole in the metal where you can replace your key ring into directly. Then all you've got to do is put your key ring back onto the key through this hole and snap it back into your key fob, like so. Hope this tip saves you some money. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks and have a blessed day.